Okay, hey everybody, it's Dr. Anthony G. Beck, and welcome to my home, my humble abode. Okay, listen, here's the thing. One of the things that I try to let you guys see is that in life, you gotta practice what you preach. So one of the things about Balanced Protocol is the fact that we don't demonize any food group. The fun thing is that life has to be enjoyable. And so one of the big things that everybody forgets about food is how to play with your food. And the main principle of the method in the movement known as Balanced Protocol is, of course, varied and diverse. So what I want you to understand is one of the best ways that you can get all kinds of different nutrient complexes, diversify your microbiome. You gotta not eat the same thing all the time. You gotta really change it up and explore what you can do with food. So I got targeted with an ad, just like so many of us do. And I was like, well, heck, let's give it a shot. So today I'm gonna do the unboxing. This literally just came. And you can see on the box here, it says, always affordable, occasionally funny looking. 25 pounds of veggies from a company known as Misfits. Okay, this is my first order. This is my starting one. They have two different packages, the lower package, the higher package. I was glad this came, so I figured, you know what, let's just grab the camera and do an unboxing and see what we get. So it's packaged about like this. It's kind of looking what it's coming in at. All right, so I see some bib lettuce. We'll do some Thai lettuce wraps with that. Organic. Oh, and everything in here is organic. That's the other thing about this. And so we've got some of these cherry tomatoes. I like that it's in paper, not a polystyrene thing. Oh, look at them miters. Look at them tomatoes. Those look pretty good. Oh, we got an apple. That looks like a gala. Oh, look at there. Little mango. Another mango. Those are good sized mangoes. Okay, these are a little beat up in here, but that's doable. You know, if you see them out of the garden. Some spring onions. Those are a wonderful source of vitamin C. The other thing about spring onions is this fiber in here. There's a lot of good particulate that comes from eating this whole thing. Oh, nice cucumber. Oh, that's nice. The ends are firm. And we got some carrots thrown in. Oh man, we're winning. These are great. Oh, got some more bib lettuce. Okay, nice. Oh, some plums. Nice. Some pluots. I'm gonna get down on those for show. Look at that big old knob of ginger. Now, ginger, of course, has all kinds of wonderful benefits to it. There's a lot of misinformation out there when it comes to inflammation. Anytime I ever tell you this, it reduces or clears inflammation. You can actually induce inflammation with ginger also. Check out this squash. These I tend to, because they're really hard, they take a while. These are my squash, like this hard squash are my go-to for baking, and then also or roasting them with various toasty things like fennel seeds and cinnamon, star anise and stuff like that, and then turning these into a puree and then making a soup out of it, hot or cold. Got some more apples in here. Man, this is good, you guys. I'm really happy. Oh, and some onions, some white onions. Well, then now we're coming out with the limes. I love limes. I'm more partial to limes than I am lemons, but those look really, really good. Some potatoes. Oh man. If you really want to get something organic, I really do recommend getting organic potatoes because they do get sprayed quite a bit. One of the things we use for healing the gut are resistant starches. You can either cook potatoes and then cool them and eat them cool, and you'll notice when you eat a potato when it's cooked and then cooled, it's really sticky. Just juice them to a juicer. A lot of times people don't realize that. They actually have quite a bit of vitamin C in them, all kinds of minerals and stuff. So anyways, all in all, you got a pretty good selection. The total price for this out the door with you know, they include the shipping and stuff in it, 55 bucks. 55 bucks for all of this organic produce. I just want to do this unboxing with you guys to show you what I got. First time out the box. We got plums, apples, cucumbers, ginger, cherry tomatoes, bib lettuce, mangoes, carrots, spring onions, regular onions, potatoes, squash. I'm very happy with that. So considering it's all organic, and it's a variety of things, so you can eat around and change it up. Now, the big question is what is this gonna be consistently over time? I think I signed up for every 2 weeks, so I'll be getting this regularly, and I'm gonna do some updates to it and share that with you guys because we'll smoke through this easily in a week here in my home. Wow, I'm really excited about all this. So, you know, other than the tomatoes getting crushed, I think everything looks pretty doggone good. So anyways, it's Misfits. This was the unboxing. You can see what I got. I'll keep you guys posted As always, make sure, no matter where you're seeing this, whether it's on Instagram at Balance Protocol, over on youtube.com/Balance Protocol, or on BitChute, because you know YouTube be censoring some stuff, Balance Protocol. And then the other thing is join us over in the Facebook group, facebook.com/groups/Balance Nation. All right? So no matter where you see this, share the love, give it a shot. Feel free to go on your own. Misfits is the outfit. And until next time, live life in balance.